Okay, so we are here, mall stroll, so functional cardio exercise. So we are doing this, selecting, choosing, shopping for our costume as requested by the President. So this is our brand criterion. So we need blazer of available sizes. So we are 6 in the group. So this is what will happen now. So we are choosing midnight blue. And then we have our logo. So if you notice, my cover pic is the logo. So we have 3 large and 3 XL sizes. Okay. So after here, we will have it sewed, but the logo will have to be processed, no, designed. But we already have the design, only process at that establishment there. There's a store outside, no. So, criterion, baka naman. Is JCB lang siya, no? Imprint Event Shop, KCC. So, this one is for hand carry luggage, no? So, we're looking for mga ganin lang, no? Yan, 3,000. Okay. So, 3,000. Siguro mas okay to, Winsu. No? Winsu color. Magkano dito? Price. How much? 3,598. Ito, same lang. 3,598. So, in terms of color, this one. Mas mura pa. Yun. Cute lang talaga siya, pero madaling masira yan, no? Yun na lang. Pwede na yun. Okay na yan. Yung mga 2,000, meron.
2,000?
Oo, yun dun. Ha? Abay, one take.
Bali nakasit na siya.
Mga 3 siya. Promo. Yun dun. Ano yun dun? Mga options. Oo, ito. Oo, pero malaki. 2-3, pero malaki na siya. Ito, magkano yan siya? 849?
Lang sila.
Tatlo? O isa lang?
Isa lang.
Same pala yung kanina. Oo. Ito, magkano to? 899 din. Oh, mura lang, oh. Pero madaling masira yan.
Polycarbonate.
Oo, polycarbonate.
Laser rubber.
Oo. Yun na lang. Pwede na yun. So, 3K. Pero matagal. Durable. Ito ito yung mga ibang kulay. Oo.
Yellow, sa bayan na.
So maganda ito. Ito na lang kasi Winsu color. Pero maganda itong green, oh. Yung green. Siguro mas ito daw, i-check daw natin yan. Maganda yan. May pagka-aqua green. Oo. Same lang yun sa loob. Blue siya. Ito na lang, red na lang kasi Winsu tayo. Winsu. Oo. Para at least madaling ma-identify. Oo. Parang ano to, crimson. Oo. Maganda din yung green. Kasi yung kulay natin, ganda din to. Social yung kulay. Na lang, red na lang. Ito.
Ibang kailangan na kaya sir dito naman.
Hindi pa. So, turuan mo ako yan. Sige, demo. So magse-set na tayo ng ano.
Ako po. So, ngayon ganito yung sir. Pag gusto nyo palitan yung password nyo po, ikikita nyo po yung ito po, yung Dota na
Oo.
Ipupus po natin ito.
Oo.
Gamit lang or ballpen or pin para mapusap sa loob.
Ah,
Pag
i-push.
sa loob, kapag napusap po sa loob, pwede natin maset yung mga papusin yung password. Kapag anong gusto yung password po?
Oh, so maglalagay na ako.
Ano siya? 3 digit pa.
So hindi ko muna ipakita.
Kasi po.
Ah. 3 digits.
Ako, pwede lang po mga line din yung sa 3 digit.
Yan.
Ayan po. Pag ganito na po yung password niya po, sir, i-set lang natin ito. I-push na natin po.
Push na yan.
Opo, i-push na natin para maktivate yung bagong password.
Oo.
So,
Okay
yun
na.
yung bagong password po.
Okay na. So sige na. So so close mo na kasi alam ko naman yung password. Oo. Oo. Okay na. May warranty yan. Ha? 11 days. Ilang araw? 7 service. Pag nasira, punta lang dito. Yun kung yung wala talaga akong ginawa sa bag. Ibig sabihin wala akong, di ba, hindi na... sabi mo service, lifetime. Kunwari, nasira yung gulong na wala naman akong ginawa sa gulong, di ba? So, papalitan. Oh, okay. Sige. Size. Okay. Okay. Sige, pwede. Now, we have the small luggage. Kailangan pa din natin ng we need yung knapsack panglagyan ng for us to put the medicine and all. So, I have knapsack at home. But it's like this. It's big. So, kailangan yung bag siya na handy lang siya. Hindi masyadong bulky. So, meron akong ganito. Tayo. Tayo na. Bag. Kasi ito, the thing here is sagabal na to sa travel. So this one, this is only for when I'm in Zamboanga. But kung traveling naman, sagabal na to. Kailangan 2 bags lang. As much as possible, travel light. No? So we have to travel light. So siguro what I'm looking for, mga ganitong bag. Pero madami na din akong bag na ganito. Siguro mas malaki pa dito. But bigger. Yan. Ito. Ito mga ganito. This one. Smaller version. I think I'll go for this one. Pero hindi sa knapsack. Hanap tayo dito. Yung smaller. Siguro mga ganito. So this is what we're looking for, no? Yung smaller version, mga ganito. Ganito, mga cute lang ba? For meds, no? For essentials, no? So one, parang sling bag lang din siya. So I think this is what we're looking for. Ganyan. So 2 lang, no? 1 small luggage and 1 sling bag na compact. Pero yung kulay, may ibang kulay pa nito. Black. gray. Parang ganyan, no? So, siguro ito na lang.
May grade tayo ba na so?
Ito, meron na akong ganito. So, I bought one like this.
Ito lang yung kulay.
So, ngayon, pag nandito siya, mabigat. Ito na. Dapat talaga, ano, ito kasi pwede siya mag-sling bag, ganyan. Hanap-hanap po na siya.
Siya, lakin so, magbuka na ka.
Hanap po na tayo. So, ito, this one is good. Ito. Kasi ito, ano din ang natin. Ganyan. Ayan. Perfect, di ba? Kulay lang din, puti. So, keep on looking. You will find the right fit. Siguro ito, okay na sana to, pero yung ano lang. Yung masyadong durable. May kamahalan din. 100. May ibang kulay pag ganito. Pero ibang size. Ibang size na yan. Malaki na siya. Oo. Yan, malaki na din siya. Sige, hanap tayo ng iba. So now that we are already settled in one place, I'll show you what I bought. So we're comparing, wait for a while, I'm removing the, so we're comparing two bags. So the reason why I bought this one, so these are sling bags, no? This one is a sling bag that I'm using now. So why am I not bringing this? Why am I buying this one? Because so when I travel, I want to travel light. So there should only be two bags. Yun lang. So, and then this one. So the sling bag is multi-purpose already. If you notice, there's one compartment here at the back. So here, maybe we can already put BP, my blood pressure device. And then here, we can already put example, cell phone. Diba? So I have two cell phones, you can put two cell phones here. And here, maybe medicine. So medicine. Then I have I have 3 bottles of food supplement. So I can also put it here. And then for my valuables, like the cards, I can put it inside. Cards, and then for my wallet, that is also combination of cards, I can put it here. So I have 2 wallets. I have 1 card holder, and then my wallet has also card holder in it. So for example, this one, so has card holder already. So card plus you can already fold the cash here. Right? So this, I can safely put it inside. Right? Because sa loob. And then I have another compartment. So this one. So this is the card holder. So I can also put it inside. So what's the difference between this bag, sling bag, and this? This one, if you put the two, a card holder and the wallet with card holder, it's already full. So I don't have space anymore to put my biscuits, my snacks. No? You put all the essentials, and then there's still remaining space in the other side. So you can still put other things here, valuables here. So, and then given that you have a lot of things that you already put in the sling bag, you cannot also carry this all throughout, correct? So you can already hang this and then put it here in the luggage, the small luggage. So all you need to do is to tighten the sling. Okay, tighten the sling, and then you can already leave it there, right? So you don't anymore need to really carry it all throughout. So if you're tired, you can put it there. So there are only 2 bags for the travel. So we travel light, right?